Let's look at some best practices, and centering parts around the coordinate axis is one of them.
Let's start with a rectangle by center, and we're just going to go and draw a box out here. So I'll just create the rectangle by center, go up to the select button and grab our arrow and just push that back. Now if we want to modify this and we come over to one side, we'll see symmetric is on. This is design intent. So symmetric, if we push that, it doesn't go symmetric. Even though the option is on for symmetric, concentric and offset, all these design intent options are there, but again, if I pick any of these faces and move this up and down, it's just going one way. So I can just delete that protrusion from over on the feature tree, and let's go back and try this again. Come over to rectangle by center, and this time we'll just lock to any of these reference planes. And the key is I come down here and I want to lock, and I see the little icon saying yes, I'm locked. And so I'll come up here and create the rectangle. And so now I'll come over to select and I'll pick the region. And this time I'd like symmetric to be on, and it looks like symmetric is on. Pushing that box, you'll see symmetric pushes that both ways. And so now when I come up to the select button, any face that I select on, let's come over to design intent again. See, we see symmetric is automatically on. And when I click on this face, it actually goes symmetric because we built it around the axis. The center is at the center of the axis. So any of these faces that we identify, we push and pull these, and you see it moves both ways. Again, and it's saying, well, I have an option for symmetric, and because you build it around the axis, it's going to go symmetric. So again, every face here goes both ways. So that's why we want to build around the axis, because a lot of times you move one side, you want the other side to move also. And again, this is called design intent.